Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be installing this beautiful red cranberry lace frontal wig by QB Wig Collections, of course. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. We are back with another banger. Alright guys, so this is the wig I'm going to be installing. I've already colored her. It took me a minute. I lightened her a little bit, like to this light brown, and then I used a Pravana red on her for this color, and I used the level 5 and a level 7 on this color. But now I'm going to go ahead and get this install going. Let me let you guys know about this wig. This wig is just about 28 inches. I don't know if I'm going to trim her up a little bit or anything yet, but she has 4 bundles and a frontal on her. I'm gonna go ahead and start customizing this hairline because it's looking a little thick. After I did her color, I just let it air dry overnight, and now I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this customization. So let's get into it. Alright, so I have tweezed the hairline, and now I'm gonna go ahead and put my lace tint on her. The lace tint that I use is True Match. I use the color dark. So here it is, True Match, and I use the color dark. And I'm gonna spray probably about 2 or 3 layers of spray on her, and I'm gonna blow dry in between. Okay, so start, spray that on. And blow dry. Alright, so I think 2 layers might be fine, or maybe I'll put like 1 more on there. I'm gonna test this out and look at the color real quick. Alright, so I actually think the color is good. I think I'm just gonna leave it at that. I don't know if I want to tweeze this back a little bit or leave it like that. I don't know. Where is this gonna land? Probably somewhere around there. Yeah, so let me get this wig styled so I can throw this on. Alright, so this is the last curl. And I'm using the T3 curling iron, the Trio, and this is the biggest barrel that it comes with to get these curls, because I definitely like bigger curls. So this is what it looks like so far. Let me just get my part straight. And I'm gonna just use a wax stick just to kind of lay all these flyaways and everything. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it until I put this wig on. And that is it, y'all. All right, so I'm gonna come back when I'm ready to install this. All right, you guys, so I'm not gonna put a wig cap on this time when I install this wig, but I just braided my hair back, basic straight backs with the braid going across the back so I can sew the wig onto the back. I'm just gonna spray on my Got To Be Glued spray and get all of my baby hairs out of the way. That way it doesn't get all caught up in my lace glue and stuff. All right, so now that that is out of the way, I'm gonna go ahead and clean my hairline with some alcohol and get ready to install this wig. Okay, so I am only gonna put 2 layers of glue on. Normally I do about 4, but I feel like I'm not gonna keep this wig on too long, so I'm just gonna end up doing 2. So I did put on the alcohol and the Skin Protect from, of course, Bold Hold. You know that's what I use, so that's what I'm going to do. Let me just get some glue. Excuse me if I look kind of down. I'm looking at my mirror. Okay, so I put on 2 layers and now I'm just gonna put my lace down. The lace glue out of its fur, I mean the hair. Sorry, y'all, I had to look at my big mirror over here. All right, so let me put it down right where my part is. Okay, make sure my sides are down. Press down, of course. And before I like press down my lace or do anything like that, I make sure that my hands are completely clear and clean of any oils or anything like that. So then, sorry y'all. So then when I go to press my edges down, none of the oils or anything gets in the hair or in the glue. Y'all know what I'm talking about? So I'm gonna wrap this up with a, what is it called? Elastic band. And then I'm going to come back once it's wrapped for like, I'll probably do my makeup too. But once it's wrapped for at least like 10 minutes, 20 minutes at the very max. And then I will come back. All right. Ooh, she cute. All right, you guys, so I did wrap it down for a little bit and then I took off the elastic band and now I cut off the lace. And now I'm gonna go in and just kind of fill in those areas that I did not put glue on. So excuse me if I look down in my mirror really quick. So this is what I do. Lift up the lace, place a little bit of glue right underneath, and I'll just do that along my entire hairline, wherever there's like missing little pieces. So don't press the lace down yet because the glue is still wet. And then after I go ahead and do this, I will proceed to press the lace down, wrap it up really good, melt that lace in, and go in with my blow dryer as well. All right, so now that I put the glue around my edges, press it down real good, I'm gonna take my edge brush and start doing my baby hairs little by little. So you guys know I do my baby hairs in sections. I tell y'all every single time when I do them in sections. Take it, cut it about 1 inch or so, and then I'll take a mixture of mousse and Bold Hold freeze spray and kind of get my edges right. I feel like that's kind of too much. I don't want my edges to be super thick. Just kind of want them to be kind of thin and natural. So let me cut these ones. And I'm not going to even do too much baby hair because I don't know. We'll see how much I do. All right, just a little bit, just like that. Literally, that's probably all the baby hair I'm gonna do. All right, that's it. I am gonna go in with my makeup and kind of make my lace just a tad bit darker. I did put 2 layers of lace tint on my lace. I probably should have did like 3 or 4. So 2 is okay, but I probably just needed a little bit more. So let me just do this side and I will come back once my edges are wrapped. I'm probably gonna do some touch-up curls in my hair as well. And then this install will be done. All right, y'all, so I did obviously put on some lashes and a little bit of something on my face. So I'm just gonna flatten this wig out a little bit. Let me put some wax stick on here. I'm gonna flatten out the top. Ooh, shoot! All right, I'm feeling this install now, y'all. Winter time is pretty much here, and I just wanted something more in the season of like fall. So that's why I went with this dark cranberry. Ooh, feeling myself a little too much. All right, so let me put that. Let me get my comb. I might do some more curls like in the front. All right, just right here in the front, curl it back, let it sit there and marinate real quick. Here, and I'm gonna do this side. And that's pretty much it, y'all. Let me go ahead and stand up so y'all can get a better look at the whole entire thing. All right, you guys, so this is the final look of this Brazilian hair cranberry red wig install. Okay, so you guys know that it started off as about 28 inches and I kind of trimmed it and cut it a little bit to layer it up, but I kind of trimmed it to maybe like a 26, 24-ish kind of length. That's my comfortable length for me. So I mean, it's still kind of long, but not 28 inches anymore. And I did custom color this to this cranberry red. I used Pravana hair color in red to color this hair, and it is looking absolutely exactly the way I wanted it to be for fall season. And I think this look is definitely me. I definitely wanted to do color, but something not too bright. So this is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. For more information on where you can get your custom wigs made, like all these wigs behind me here, you can go to my website at qbwigcollections.com, or you can contact me and we can get something custom made for you at QB Wig Collections. All right, you guys, so thank you so much for watching this frontal install. Hopefully I keep it in kind of long. I normally change up my hair so often, but hopefully I keep it in kind of long this time, y'all. Ooh, I am loving it. My husband ain't seen it yet. Ain't nobody seen it yet. So I'm gonna go ahead and post me some pictures. Definitely follow me on Instagram at QB Wig Collections. And you guys can see all of my, you know, clients, all the things I got going on with my business and things like that. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.